The best place to currently trade Bitcoin with no KYC is going to be over on Blofin, and in this video I will exactly show you how to set up a new account, open up your first Bitcoin trade and start profiting right now. So guys, without any further ado, yes, Blofin is going to be a relatively new exchange. It is globally available all around the world, and the best thing is that you do not need any KYC to start trading over on Blofin. So yes, everyone all around the world is right now available to be opening up a new account with Blofin and to start trading with Blofin and start profiting from every single Bitcoin market movement in this Bitcoin bull market. Now, first of all, sharing some key things about this exchange to ensure that this is actually a good exchange and why I like Blofin myself. Well, first of all, they have proof of reserves verified on Nansen, looking very good. All user funds are custodied in Fireblocks, so Blofin does not have access to user funds itself. They cannot rock, like for example FTX did. So yes, first of all, your assets are going to be actually safe over on Blofin. That is of course going to be very important. Then second of all, Blofin is not trading against you. Many exchanges right now are actually trading against the user and on purpose liquidating the user to actually earn more money, but Blofin is not doing this. They are using external market makers, so they cannot trade against their users. They are not doing that. Now also, they are having a lot of pairs, both on spot and on futures. And the best thing is, well, the liquidity over on Blofin is actually surprisingly well. It is actually very similar to Binance, Bybit and OKX. So it is up there in the rankings. It is definitely one of the best exchanges right now. And the best thing, of course, is going to be that it requires no KYC. I'm going to register right now a new account, and yes, you can easily sign up a new account right now in under 2 minutes. And the best thing is, with that link down below, by the way, you are going to be getting insane deposit bonuses. So definitely, if you are going to be getting interested in trading over on Blofin, make sure to be supporting me by using that link down below, because without this link, well, these bonuses are not going to be available. So yeah, make sure to be using that link down below. Otherwise, basically, you're not going to be getting these free insane bonuses, 10,000 US dollars, which you can be getting absolutely for free. So make sure to be checking that one out. Sign up a new account over on Blofin. Now, I already do have an account over on Blofin, so I will quickly log in. So I am right now logged in over on Blofin, and the first thing which you want to be doing is, of course, depositing some funds. Now, I already have some money over on Blofin, but what you want to be doing is click on the deposit button over here and deposit any kind of crypto, USD Tether, or any other kind of crypto such as Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum. You can choose any of these assets over here, and then when you have deposited your funds, you can go back towards this page over here. Then you need to be transferring your money from the funding account in towards your futures account to be able to start with trading. Now you can very easily do that by clicking on the transfer button on the top right corner over here, and for this video I will just transfer 1,000 US dollars towards my futures account to be trading with. So there we go, click on confirm, and there we go, it is right now in our account. We have 1,000 US dollars where we can be trading with over on futures. So make sure to go towards this top corner over here, click on futures and go towards this futures button over here. And right over here, the first thing which you want to be doing is, of course, selecting the right pair you want to be trading. Of course, you can be trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all of these altcoins over here. You can literally trade any kind of altcoin that you want, but I'm going to be trading Bitcoin for right now. Bitcoin is the pair I like to trade the most. I'm literally analyzing the Bitcoin chart every single day for at least 1 hour for already the past 5 years. So yeah, trading Bitcoin is where I'm best at. Anyways, the first thing which you can be seeing is this chart over here, and on this chart over here, you can be doing any of your technical analysis. You can draw lines, you can draw levels of support, you can add moving averages, like you can be seeing this one over here on the chart that is already on here, and you can even add some indicators with this button over here. So yeah, this is very easy and simple simple to use. You can already do some basic technical analysis over here over on Blofin. And yeah, this dashboard is just going to be very easy and very simple, just like any of the other exchanges. Now, maybe if you're going to be a beginner, it's going to be taking some time to get used towards this panel, but trust me, if you are going to be having a look into this panel for some more time, it is going to be very easy to understand and you will easily manage to do it. Now, you can be having a look into some important statistics, for example, the funding rates, which I, by the way, actively use in my daily technical analysis. You can be having a look into the volume and all of this other information over here, the Bitcoin price. You can be having a look into the Bitcoin order book over here, but the most important thing right now is going to be this button over here, this section over here, create order. And yeah, that is exactly what we are going to do right here today. First of all, what we want to be doing is click on this cross, because I always use isolated margin. Now, for beginners, I would actually recommend using isolated, because with cross, well, your whole account might be getting wiped out. With isolated, only the money that you put in actually can be getting liquidated and can be getting lost. But with cross margin, literally your whole account can be getting wiped out. So if you're going to be a beginner, I would advise, or not advise, but recommend actually using isolated. So that is what I'm going to do as well. Now, I myself am also always using isolated margin. I just think it's going to be way easier. But then having a look into what's the most important tool when trading, leverage over here, I always use around 5x leverage to 10x leverage. And if I'm going to be doing some more risky trades, I'm going to be using, for example, 20x leverage. Now, if you do want to be scalping the Bitcoin price, yeah, you can even go up towards 150x leverage over on this exchange, which is going to be absolutely insane. Now, I will not be doing that for this video over here. For this video right now, I'm going to be using 10x leverage, but you can of course go up towards 150x leverage. Now, after that, you basically have these two options over here. You can open up a limit order or a market order, and a market order will basically just open up your Bitcoin trade right now at this current moment, immediately after selecting an amount and clicking on the buy button or the sell button. It's immediately going to be entering the trade. Now, I like this option a lot because it will guarantee me of actually entering the trade right now. But yeah, do keep in mind that the fees are going to be a little bit higher. But yeah, if you want to be waiting for Bitcoin to, for example, hit a certain price level, for example, this 67.3k level, I'm just going to be saying something over here. Well, if you want to be waiting until Bitcoin actually reaches that level and then automatically enter your trade, well, you can be using a limit order and set up your price over here. For example, right here, we have set a 67.3k level, right? So you're just entering over here 67.3k, set that as a price level, and then you can be entering your amount. And when you click on buy long, well, it's going to be opening up your trade when Bitcoin is going to be hitting that level over here. Now, this of course is not going to be guaranteeing you're going to be entering your trade. Bitcoin, of course, first of all, needs to be reaching that price level, and then it's going to be entering your Bitcoin trade. So for this video, I'm going to be using the market order, and I will be showing what happens when you enter a Bitcoin trade. So for this video, I'm just going to be opening up a trade with 100% of my account. Of course, when you're going to be trading yourself, you should be using proper risk and money management. Anyways, yes, if I'm going to be opening up my account right now, I want to be clicking on the buy button over here. I want to be longing Bitcoin. I think that Bitcoin is going to go towards the upside. So yes, right now I have opened my Bitcoin long position. And if we are going to be having a look into some 1 minute time frame, we can easily track if we're going to be in a profit or in a loss. Yeah, we can exactly see on this chart over here where we have exactly opened our Bitcoin trade. So yeah, we can easily manage what is going to be next with Bitcoin. But yeah, after having opened your Bitcoin trade, there's going to be some very important things you can be managing. For example, your liquidation price. If Bitcoin reaches that level, that liquidation price, well, then your Bitcoin position will be getting liquidated and you will basically lose the money that you have put in. So in this case, this is going to be the 62.7k level. If Bitcoin is going to be falling down towards the 62.7k level, well, then I'm going to be losing my initial 1k that I have put in this Bitcoin trade. So yes, we can also manage a TP or an SL, a take profit or a stop loss over here, and you can easily set a take profit and a stop loss level, but you can also be taking partial profits with this button over here. here. So yeah, with this button over here, you can be managing your risk and you can be taking your profits if your Bitcoin trade is going to be in profit. Oh yeah, these are just going to be the very basic fundamentals about Bitcoin trading over here. Now we've entered our Bitcoin trade and we are actually in a very slight profit over here. So yeah, if we want to be closing our position right now, what we are just going to be doing is click on this market close button and we're going to be clicking on the close all button. And in that case, when we're going to be doing that and click on this close all button, then we're going to be definitely closing our trade right now with the market order again. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that right now. And right now we can be seeing in our order history, our most recent trade over here with, yeah, just $7. So this is just very simple how you can be trading over on Blofin. So I'm going to be using Blofin a lot more in the future for my own Bitcoin trades. It is right now literally the best no KYC exchange. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. At least sign up an account right now with that link down below and claim your free bonuses. Anyways guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another video later.